because of time. But I think we are doing a lot of talking, a lot of video, clips to try and see how these guys are going to play against us. I don't think they will change. They will play exactly as the video clips that we are seeing. But we are regrouping well, and I think you have been very much prepared up to now in terms of the tactical movements that we think we need to employ against South Africa. They're at home, they might feel it big, they might be happy, but I tell you one thing, we are here, and we are here to compete, and we are going to do everything possible for us to come up with a positive result. We are going to have some changes because we are trying to remodel our play. Probably the formation or system that we are going to use might change, and we are still sitting down with the technical team to try and find out the best formation and the best players to represent us tomorrow. We are doing a lot of talking to our boys, pushing them to at least give us the best that they can. You can imagine if we were to win tomorrow and we are there on 5 points, it will be a huge situation for us to then wait for the next games coming. But we are hopeful. We are so much hopeful that we will turn around the result tomorrow.